Hello everyone, my name is Cece Rose. I'm donning my artist beret tonight because I'm going to do a little demonstration with my friend Fernando. And I haven't used one of these in so long I can't tell you, but I've decided to start a Skyping session learning how to do gesture drawing with my granddaughter. So I thought, well, I better practice so that I'm ready to roll with her on Monday. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration since we don't have our models. You know, we're all homebound for a while. And so here we go. I'm going to do this quick sketch, and then I'm going to color it in a little bit with some watercolor, some Yarka watercolor. So I have my little dancer here. I'm going to turn him around and do a very quick sketch. And what I love about this, I can draw the joints of the wood. I'm going to draw it just as I see it because I think that's important to draw what you see. And hopefully we have a nice little gesture drawing that's, of course, not as good as the real thing, but it's good practice. So that's what I like, is good practice. And who knows, it may end up being a clever idea for a painting someday of nothing but our wooden mannequins. Wouldn't that be kind of strange and creepy? Anyway, I kind of like strange and creepy, so that's okay. All right, so we're getting it in there as quickly as possible, and I'm doing it on one side of the page because I'm going to flip it around and do a dancer next to it. And again, I'm just doing it like we do in our sessions on Mondays and Wednesdays and Saturdays, where we just have a 3-minute gesture session. And I'm not timing this, but I'm roughly figuring 3 minutes. And from my little sketchbook that I posted on YouTube earlier, that particular set of drawings was also done during our 3-minute sessions. Okay, so now I'm going to take, and you can see what I've done just in pencil, just a quick sketch here in pencil. Okay, now I'm going to take just a sienna color, and I'm going to do what George James, the well-known Yupo watercolorist, does. He's talking about putting in the areas just where you see the shadow to give these opposing lights and darks, and then you can put in your midtones later if you wish. But I'm going to assume that my light is being cast from the right side, not as it is here because this is not really very good light, but coming from the right side of the mannequin. And just a very quick rendition. We'll put in some lights here. I might take a little orange and change that a bit, darken up some of these areas. We call this exchange, where the darker areas link with the lighter areas. And it's just a very quick, you want to be as quick as possible so you don't have too much time to overthink. Okay, so I'm going to very quickly take my blow dryer here. I don't want to blast your ears off there. And of course, you can use all sorts of media to do this. You can do it in charcoal, you can do it with paint, whatever you wish. And that's the end result. So I hope that you'll practice if you have your wooden mannequin and do several of these. Like I said, I'm going to turn him, and there'll be another one over here. But it's a quick and easy way to practice your drawing, your figure drawing especially, and nice way to pass the time. Au revoir, mes amis, mes artistes. À bientôt.